Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today is a special day. 5 years ago, I created something for an industry, for the Christmas light industry, and I've been doing it ever since. And I've been making these for the past 5 years. Now, they're not large quantities per order, but you know, it's just something that I made, I designed, I improved, and I keep making the same thing. And but I've been doing it for the past 5 years, and just doesn't bring me any more joy than just to say, hey, this is my product, I made it, I built it, and I've been doing it for the past 5 years, and you know, and everyone gets to use it. Now, this is a product that actually has been shipped worldwide. Again, it's a very niche industry. It's not something that people can use every day. Maybe you can, I don't know. You know, it's something that, it's a tool. So, you know, you can get creative with it. But without saying that I couldn't do this without Boss Koyo's help either. So much shout out to Boss Koyo Studio for actually collaborating with me and helping me out with this product. So what is it? It's my pixel pliers. So if you guys are part of the X-Lights fan base, Christmas lights and all that stuff, you guys know what the pixel pliers are. This is the 2.1 and the 3.1 version. So there's two different versions of these pliers that I've been making for the past 5 years. Now, why am I doing this video? This video is actually a raffle. So if you're seeing this video, I am gonna do a raffle for free giveaway. Okay, I'm giving away 12 pliers. Now, what's the catch? You don't have to buy anything. There's no purchases necessary. All you have to do, subscribe to the channel, leave a comment down on the below, and let me know that you subscribed, and your name will be entered into the raffle. And from this point, from posting this video up until a month from the video, I will do the raffle. So we have a month. We have a month for everybody to pitch in. Again, there is no money involved. Nobody has to pay anything. I will cover all the shipping. This is within the United States. I will ship it anywhere within the US. You don't have to pay for the shipping. I'll cover all the costs. So, but here's the catch. For every 200 entries, there's 12 pliers. So if the entries increase to 400, there'll be 24 pliers. 636 pliers. 848 pliers. So the numbers grow, the number of raffles will grow. And this is on a monthly basis. And I'm going to give this about 3 months, but every month I will do a drawing, and the winners will get the pliers. But minimum 200 entries, minimum. And the entries are just a subscription to the channel. That's all it is. Nothing else. You don't have to pay anything. You don't have to do anything. It's a subscription and a comment that you actually subscribed. And if you actually like any other content of the channel, go for it. Look it up, watch it, leave your comments, leave your feedback, whatever it is. So yeah, this video is just because I want to sort of get back to the community as well, as much as I can. But you know, you help me, I'll help you type of thing. I don't want anything in return. The only thing I'm asking is just a simple subscription so I could grow my channel. And in return, you will get one of the pliers if your name is called, and I will basically videotape the whole drawing. So make sure you guys I'm not, you know, picking and choosing who's going to be winning the pliers. I'm going to put my kids involved. Names will be in a bowl. They're going to pick out names, and how we're going to have some fun. Everyone's going to have some fun, and we're going to basically do this together. Anyways, so if you've seen this video up to this point, hit that subscribe button, guys. Put that comment down below, and if you like the video, hit the like as well. Let's I don't know, 5,000. Let's hit 5,000 subscription. I don't know. Up to you guys. However you guys want to do it. Minimum 200. And after I hit the 200, the raffle will be there. And I will do the raffle at the first 200 pliers. So let me know what you think, guys. Peace out.